Now we are going to solve another differential equation, and we are given y double prime plus 2ay prime plus a squared y equals f of x. We solve the auxiliary equation m squared plus 2am plus a squared equals 0, and we get m plus a, the quantity of m plus a squared equals 0, so that gives us m sub 1 and m sub 2 to be equal to negative a. Thus, our y complementary is of the form c sub 1 e to the negative ax plus c sub 2x e to the negative ax. So that gives us y sub 1 equals e negative ax and y sub 2 x e to the negative ax. We use here variation of parameters, so we're going to find the Wronskian, and the Wronskian should be y sub 1, and then we have y sub 1 prime here, and y sub 2 and y sub 2 prime. And when we solve that matrix, we have the Wronskian to be equal to e to the negative 2ax. And then next we find u1 prime and u2 prime. So our u1 prime is just equal to negative y sub 2 f of x over the Wronskian. So this gives us a y sub 1, just integrating both sides, we have the equation of this form. Then looking for u sub 2 prime, we have this. And then integrating both sides, we have negative of the integral of e raised to the power of negative ax f of x dx. So our y particular is of this form now. Our y particular is of the form u1 y1 plus u2 y2. And so incorporating y particular and y complementary, we have the answer y equals c sub 1 e to the negative ax plus c sub 2x e to the negative ax plus e to the negative ax, the integral of negative x e to the negative ax f of x over e to the negative 2ax dx minus x e to the negative ax times the integral of e raised to ax f of x dx.